Good evening.
Good evening.
You look so tired.
Yeah, what I playing the playground.
Oh, how are you?
I'm
Very
glad.
fast. Okay, let
Um,
me show you.
I'm tired and great. What are you gonna show me?
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, where was it? Where is it? Okay, okay, where was it? Where is it? Okay, so yesterday I bought a bowl of cucumber, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
and
So
you eat
this
it?
time, yeah, finish eating it. Okay, but this time I want to show you it's something red. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, it's some wait a minute. Okay, this is going to be my healthy snack for today. Ta-da!
What? Mm.
Watermelon. Slice watermelon.
I had my candy.
Okay, so this is going to be my snack later. After dinner, my dessert is watermelon. Okay,
Then wait.
then
You said you're gonna show your fish and your
oh, I forgot to take a picture of the fish, but look at this one.
what
Do
is
you know
that?
this? Salted peanuts.
Hmm?
Peanuts.
What is
Peanuts.
salted peanuts?
Peanuts.
Just
Salted
peanut?
peanuts.
What
Yep.
is a salted?
Oh, it has salt in it. Oh, they cook it, they fry it, and they put salt. Okay, let me show you salted peanuts. Okay, this one. Do you like eating peanuts?
No, I don't like peanut.
So
I was
they
drawing with
roasted. Oh,
only.
this one is a salted peanut.
Oh, his name is Salty.
Salted peanuts. Okay. So can you see the little this one, the white one? This
Yeah,
one?
just with
Those are salt. Salt.
and what color is salt? Is salt and peanut.
Yes. And of course it has a lot of garlic. Fried garlic.
What
Very
is
yum.
garlic?
Garlic, you fry the garlic.
What is garlic?
Oh, wait a minute. Let us see. Hmm. Wait a minute.
Hmm.
So you fried garlic. Oh, garlic, garlic, garlic. Okay, this one. Okay, hold on a minute. I'm going to show you garlic first. Oh, oh, I cannot. I oh, what happened?
I don't know. I was just drawing a face of the. You show the picture, and something was not touch. I cannot touch the color, and suddenly we just disappeared.
Okay. So this one. So this is the raw garlic. Then you slice it and then you fry it in oil. So that's
Mm-hmm.
salted garlic. Okay, like this one. Oh, where can I put it? See, they cook the garlic in oil to get crispy. Garlic.
Mm. And wait, can you
Garlic is
can
garlic is very nutritious.
oh okay. And its name is garlic. Hello, garlic. And
What is it raining? Is it raining
no,
out now? Oh, okay. But
but
you
I
like it.
said, mommy said it was rain. No, Dad, it's not raining, but for the so many friends is playing there.
Oh, are there many?
There's so many. I cannot not who's there. And not there, Joey. And there's my little brother, with another brother, Ethan, and one more sister, another sister, Ethan. I cannot see, but I can see their mother.
Can you can you
Oh,
see
I
them?
can see Ethan, but I cannot see Ethan. Oh, Ethan.
What are they playing?
Something like I don't know because I cannot hear that.
Mhm.
I know
Okay.
garlic.
Okay. So you
And can you
know the
put
garlic,
white?
okay? So this is
Can you put
the
the whiteboard?
this, wait a minute. Where is your whiteboard?
There,
Okay, I
I
got
know
your
the drawing.
whiteboard. I am I am smiling. Where is my what do you call it? What is that? My hair
Hair.
is my hair is so long. Look at my hair. It's so long at the back. Okay, see, I am it's
And we
I
got black t-shirt.
oh, this is black Mickey Mouse T-shirt. Okay,
Mm.
I'm going to stand a little bit so you can see my Mickey Mouse T-shirt. Oh, look at this. Wait, where is
Oh,
it now? Mickey Mouse. Okay.
oh. And I cover with black and draw Mickey Mouse.
Ay,
We
it's my
just have
Mickey Mouse. What do I have?
mm,
What
Mickey
do I
Mouse.
have?
Mickey Mouse. I cannot draw Mickey Mouse very well.
It's okay. As long as I'm smiling with my glasses, with my long hair.
Yeah, we got it's free.
Ah, my name
And,
is
and next we got what pants do you have? Is blue or another color?
very, very dark blue jeans. Dark
Blue.
blue jeans. Very dark blue jeans.
Okay. I make with a red color pants and a little bit blue in it.
Blue jeans. I'm wearing very blue jeans.
This color pants. This one. This color.
The blue one is okay. I'm going to look for very, very ah. Oh, More than that. Yeah, that's good enough. That's good enough.
Okay. Mm. And I'm gonna draw with the hands. With hands.
Okay, we are going to. Okay, okay,
And
delete
with
this.
that, and with that you need had a stick to walk, right?
Yeah, yes, this is my walking stick. So I
Oh,
have my walking stick.
oh.
Okay, my walking stick. Oh, it's very long. Okay, my walking stick. Okay.
It's very long
Yeah.
and enjoy the walking stick. Now, you had two walking sticks?
No, only one.
Okay. There.
Oh, okay, good, good, good. Oh my goodness. Thank you very much. Okay, I like it very much because I am smiling, my glasses on, my long hair, my walking stick, my Mickey Mouse t-shirt. Oh, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, why did you decide to draw me?
Because the wizard is teaching me and I'm I work with that and I need to draw feet.
Yeah. Okay, good. Good, good. I really like it. Oh, you make teacher Lisa happy, happy. Very, very happy. Okay. Okay. Oh, any questions? No more questions. We go to the next.
Yeah.
Okay, let me. Okay, what
I
are we?
have one question. Wizard, what do
Oh,
you want to eat for dinner?
oh, what rice, noodles, what else do I ham. I have ham and eggs, scrambled eggs with
Um, I asked mommy, but mommy don't know, and is mommy angry because my brother don't listen to mommy, and is mommy will be angry, and she need to rest.
oh, okay. Why is little brother not listening to mommy?
Because yesterday we we go to the playground, but playground said it was so no colors, and they go they gonna color the paint again, and we cannot play, and we can play with the small playground, and now today my brother want to play in the big playground, but my friend Joey said they gonna spray some medicine, and we cannot play, and he wanna play in the big playground, and he said and cried, and mommy was angry.
Okay. What do you think? What can you do? What could you do to make little brother stop crying? What shall we do to make him
Playing the
stop
small,
crying?
playing the small playground, and we need to go home, but little brother don't wanna go home, and he and he cried and and cried, and mommy hug me, and he said, mommy hug me in Korean. Oh, nah, he and my mommy and Gary, and I think he's okay now. He's not crying now.
Oh, okay. probably he wants really to play, but because he is not allowed to play.
Hmm. Because
Okay.
we cannot play in. We had January and so many things. Mm, what we cannot play in. See, I don't know the name. It was January, February, like that. But six, we cannot play January and what we have
February, March, April, May. Oh, this is June. June
June.
is the birthday of whose
uh,
birthday is June?
June.
Yeah, whose birthday is in June?
I don't know. And
Ah,
we cannot play to. I show you this one 6 to 3.
6 o'clock. Is this
Or
the time? Is this the time or the month? Ah, because June 3 is election day. June 3 is election day. It's a holiday in your country. Yes, I think it's a holiday. June 3 is election day. So adults will vote new officers, new officials of the government. So you don't have classes that time next week.
and we can
Okay?
play and at June 3. Then the playground is open and we can play
Yeah.
now. But it's not
Yeah.
June 3 now.
Yeah. So you still have to wait 7 days more. Right? 7 days more. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Or are there more stories to tell?
No.
Okay. So this time, we go back again. We are going to compare three or more things. So last time we only add ER or R or IER, right? But this one, since we are comparing three, we are going to add EST.
EST.
Yeah, EST or IST. Okay? IST like long, longest.
Is
Okay? Or let us practice. Small,
smaller.
smallest,
Smaller.
smallest. Okay.
Smaller.
High,
Highness.
highest,
Highest.
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 Okay. What else? Big,
Bigger.
biggest.
Biggest.
Okay, biggest. Next, thin.
Thinnest.
Okay, very good. Hot, hot.
Hot. Hottest.
Okay, hot, hottest. Questions. Do you have any questions?
No question. I had one question.
What
Rita,
is?
what do you like to do at weekend?
Well, I am going to go to the mall and buy the school supplies of my nephew because on June 8th, okay, June 8th
Hmm.
is the start of their class. So he is going to be grade 7. Okay, grade
It
7.
was
So
great. Six.
okay, he graduated from grade 6. So he is going to be grade 7 or grade 7 is equivalent to first grade middle school. Okay,
Mm.
first grade middle school in your country. So we're going to buy notebooks, um, pens, pencils, pad paper, those kinds of things, and his new uniform. Okay, we're going to buy his new uniform.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
okay. Let's see now. Let's go to the next page. Okay. Okay. Write the superlative adjectives. So, est or ist. I, e, ay, wait a minute.
Sorry, I wait.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, it's like I'm going to write, okay? Like for example.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, wait a minute.
Sorry.
Okay, it's okay. Okay. This one is smallest.
Alright.
Okay? Smallest.
Okay.
Next one.
It's longest. Longest.
Where is longest? This one is loud.
Well, loudest.
L- okay, loudest.
Loudest.
Okay, next. Next.
Quietest.
Where is that?
Here.
Okay, quietest. Good.
Here.
Okay, good.
No. Slowest.
Slowest. Okay, good.
Fastest.
Okay, next one.
Oldest.
Oldest. Very good.
Tallest.
Okay, tallest. Very good.
Longest.
Very good.
Mm, biggest.
Okay, very good. Biggest.
Highest.
Okay, very good. Highest. Let's go to the second part.
Shortest.
Good. Okay, next.
Youngest.
Youngest. Very good.
Hotness.
Oh, oh, hottest.
Hottest.
Okay.
Deepest.
Okay,
Deep.
deepest.
Happiest.
Okay, so you write happiest like this one. Okay, so you are going to drop the Y. You write I and add est. Okay, with Y endings. Okay, you drop the Y and replace it with letter I. Happiest. Okay.
Okay. Happiest.
Oh, okay. Next one.
What is this? Weather.
Widest.
Widest.
Very good. Very, very good.
Widest.
Mm-hmm.
Wildest.
Okay, loudest. How about this one? There's a Y.
Then noises.
Noisiest. Okay, I'm going to write it first. Okay, noisiest. Yes. Okay, so you drop the Y, replace it with letter I, and add est. Okay, next two words.
Saddest.
Saddest. Very good.
Thinnest.
Thinness. Okay. So, if it is comparative, you add ER or R or IER. But if it is a superlative, you add EST or IEST. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, this one. So, there are
I
three now. Three now. Okay, so, example, mountain A, B, and C. So,
okay.
mountain B,
Man.
mountain B.
Mountain B is the highest.
Very good. Okay. Man A, B, and C.
Man B is the oldest.
Okay, it's the oldest. Very good. What about giraffe? A, B, and C.
Giraffe C is the smallest.
Very, very
And
good.
you can do this too. The giraffe A is big.
Biggest. The
Biggest.
biggest.
And you can do
Oh,
the man like this. The
mhm.
man A is younger than a
Youngest. Youngest.
youngest.
Good. Okay. Understood?
Yeah.
Very good. Let's see what is page 60. Aha. Okay. Okay. Oh, which one is the highest? Mountain A, mountain B, or mountain C? Okay, this one. Oh, let's see first. River E. True or false? River E is the longest. Is it correct?
No.
Because it's only 175, while River D is 400 kilometers and River F is 500. So we write F. It is false.
Fish more bigger.
Okay. So River E is not the longest. It is the shortest. Okay? It's the shortest.
Okay. And I will do
Oh, number two now.
what is this?
Building.
Building
Mm-hmm.
G is 150.
Oh, okay. G, H, and I. Oh,
Okay.
building I.
It's not. It's too small.
Is, is building I the shortest?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are you going to write? C
This
or F?
H.
Is building I the shortest?
Yeah.
Okay. So are you going to write letter T or are you going to write letter F?
Let's
Is it true? Is building I the shortest? 75, 300, 150. So is building I the shortest?
yeah.
Or what are you going to write? Is it true or is it false?
True.
Okay. You write letter T.
T.
Okay. Good. Okay. So this is letter T. Okay? We don't have much time. We are going to continue this one. Good job. Thank you for the drawing. See
Right.
you. Bye bye.